The following message is transmitted at the request of the Cedar Rapids Police Department, fryer manufacturers, and a very distressed bird on fire. There is a 22-year-old woman chasing a giant phoenix around by means of riding a cloud and throwing a seemingly endless supply of deep fryers. I've lost the last bits of my sanity with these drug trip-like situations. Seriously, what the hell am I even supposed to say at this point? All we know is that she is trying to cook this bird and eat him. Sounds like my typical Saturday. The chase is still ongoing, with no sign of stopping anytime soon. Well, whatever works for me. If you spot these two, please take videos and photos. These'll make for great memes. Anyways, I'm going to join this chase. Have a better day than that bird.